Pickle juice, often overlooked as a mere byproduct of the pickling process, has gained recognition for its potential health benefits in recent years. Rich in electrolytes such as sodium and potassium, it can serve as an effective natural remedy for hydration, making it particularly popular among athletes. Consuming pickle juice may help alleviate muscle cramps due to its high sodium content, which can restore electrolyte balance after intense physical activities. Moreover, its vinegar content is believed to aid in digestion and could potentially help regulate blood sugar levels, making it an interesting option for those looking to manage their weight or improve metabolic health. In addition to its hydration and digestion benefits, pickle juice has been touted for its antioxidant properties, which can contribute to overall wellness. The cucumbers used in pickling contain various vitamins and nutrients, and the fermentation process enhances these qualities, adding probiotics that support gut health. Furthermore, some studies suggest that pickle juice may help with post-workout recovery by reducing soreness and inflammation, allowing for quicker return to physical activity. Whether consumed straight from the jar, added to cocktails, or used in marinades, pickle juice offers a flavorful and functional addition to a balanced diet, making it a versatile choice for health enthusiasts. Subscribe to my channel if you found it helpful.